Is an excellent coeducational high school, grades 9 to 12. We are located in beautiful Scotch Plains, New Jersey, which is a very suburban, green, beautiful neighborhood, located about 30 minutes outside of New York City. So our students come to Union Catholic, they work hard, they study, they're in a very safe and secure environment, and then on the weekends they're able to travel via train and bus into New York City and have a really nice experience in the probably the greatest city in the world, New York City. So it's a great opportunity for our students to come over to Union Catholic to grow and to learn and develop. And I'm now going to pass the microphone over to Dr. Dixon, who's going to talk a little bit more about Union Catholic.
So as they introduced, I'm the Director of School Counseling, so I oversee students' transition to Union Catholic, their mental health, their academics, to make sure that they're doing well. And that's a 4-year journey. So if your students were to come, it could be a year, it could be for a summer program or a winter program, and I would be involved in helping to make sure that they're doing well, that they're happy, if they have any problems, that we're able to really help and work through those. We do have counselors for every student, and so our students have support whether they're intending there to hopefully attend college after high school. We'll help them with their applications. We help them enroll in college courses right while they're enrolled in high school as well, so we have a dual enrollment program. So each student is an individual, and we look at each student as an individual. Everybody has their own unique gifts, their own unique talents, and their own goals. And so we're really treating each student as a unique human being, and as our principal, Sister Percy Lee, says, to become all God calls them to be. Whatever that is, whether it's a blogger, whether it's a scientist, whether it's a mathematician, we want to make sure that they have the support and the backing behind them to be really strong academically and to reach their goals. Now I'm going to introduce you to Alito Tanyag, religion teacher.
Thanks, Jen. First, I want to correct Dr. Regan. It's not my first time in the Philippines. Because I was actually born and raised in Pasig. And it's just a few miles away from UTC. Now, I'm a teacher of religion. I went to school at Ateneo. I graduated from there, and then I taught at Ateneo High School for several years. So I'm quite familiar with the educational system here in the Philippines. And then I applied for a scholarship, and I got accepted to Fordham University. That's in New York City. And I obtained my master's degree there. And then I started teaching at Union Catholic in 1995. So I've been there for 30 years now. And I can assure you that your child will be given the opportunity to experience a very strong sense of community and even a very strong sense of family. And I found a home at Union Catholic. And I'm sure that children who would get the opportunity to study with us would experience the same very strong sense of community and family. It's a very faith-filled environment. So, and we provide for all the educational needs of your child. And hopefully they get to experience the same experience I had. And I went through the very rigorous immigration process way back in the 90s, and application for scholarships, and we can guide your child in obtaining such opportunities and going through the same process and hopefully get the same opportunities. Thank you.
There you go.